Markets. Now, the market is ending the week 0.05% down. Gainers, we have Multiverse, Transcorp Holding, FTN Cocoa Ikeja Hotel. We have CWJ, that's Computer Warehouse Group PLC. We have losers for today. We have Cadbury leading that list. We have Wapik. We have RT Briscoe, Wema Bank, FBN Holdings. Mr. David Adonri is the vice chairman at Highcap Securities, a friend of the house. He joins via phone to analyze the performance of the market. Mr. Adonri, how are you today?
Tolu, I'm very fine. I salute all of you there at the studio.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. I know you will tell me that you're not surprised the market is down, but what are the fundamentals surrounding this performance?
Okay, very good. That you know, I will not tell you that I'm surprised. In fact, I'm not surprised. It's in line with our previous analysis and what is happening in the socio-economic space. So as it is, we are likely, in fact, we are closing the week now at almost minus 2.2%. So the market has been weak. It's been declining consistently since last week. And the reasons are not far-fetched. But this week is a little bit different because there is a very massive crowding out effect on equities because of the reopening of the federal government bond to the tune of 360 billion naira. So this is a very big source of migration of financial assets away from equities to the debt market. Of course, we spoke last week about the impact of the misfired currency redesign program on first quarter results. So we are still, investors are still expecting that first quarter results are likely to be dampened as a result of that misfired policy. We still have the issue of the hike in interest rate, which will also encourage the migration to debt. So where we are now is a buyer's market to look, and this buyer's market is expected to continue next week.
Interesting stuff there. Well, do have a great weekend, and definitely we'll be talking next week to see the performance of the market.
Thank you. Have a nice weekend too. Bye.
All right there. Well, Effiong Ekop is in the studio. I will take it up from where Mr. Adonri stopped. He said he wasn't surprised. He wouldn't be surprised, or he's happy that I know that he won't be surprised. And I know that's what I'll get from you too. But take it away.
No surprise to Lou. You've seen the Bews thoroughly took hold
of the market. Yeah.
And as he said, about 2% downward. The same 2% that we lost last week, repeating, telling you that investors are generally sitting on the sales window, having interest in, managing to take whatever they can out of their investment. The pressure from the larger economy still remains. And of course, we do not, believe that they will go out very soon. And so the see-don't look kind of situation, remains in the market. And many people now talk about expectation of a new government coming next month, and they look forward to that. This particular weekend, we have many manufacturing companies dropping, their share prices. They have Cadbury, Dangote Sugar, then Nimet Pharmaceuticals in the healthcare sector. There are so many. Then the insurance and the banks, all of them have crashed out. So, but as it is, if you have money, you can pick good stocks that you've always wanted. But the issue is, that's fundable funds. That's the issue. That's where it is. The general economy is not helping investments. There are so many problems in investment baskets, and they seem to be frightening many of the investors as it is.
It's a big one there. Well, let's see how it plays out, and we'll follow up this as we move on into the new week.
Remember, the analyst said that he expects this condition to continue even next week.
Of course, he said
so
that.
I think it will also snowball to the next.
All right, then. Thank you so much, Effiong Ekop. Do have a great weekend.
Thank you.